Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can buy on investing.com. To do so, first of all, just open up investing.com on your Google Chrome browser like I already did. And after opening up your Google Chrome browser, just hover your mouse over on markets option right here on the top left side of the screen. After that, you can see these options pop up. From here, click on any one of the options that you want to buy. For now, I'm going to select cryptocurrency, and here you can see that it has taken me into this kind of screen. Now from here, select any one kind of cryptocurrency that I want to buy. If you select that cryptocurrency, you can see that it will take you further inside the cryptocurrency to see its whole charts, its whole information. Now if you scroll down, you can see all of the charts, overview, historical data, and also down to the option for bearish or bullish. You can see that this is for the sentiment. If you click on the green option, you are saying you voted for bullish. Your sentiment is for 1 month. This is nothing of any sorts. You can just do this if you like the coin. To actually buy the coin, you have to look for an option, trade or something. It is not appearing on my screen right now, but it should be above this bullish or bearish option right here. If you see that option, just click on it, and from then you need to select a broker, and after selecting the broker, you'll be able to buy that cryptocurrency. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop comments for review and some more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.